Hello, I'm Martin from Clenergise. In this video, I will guide you through how to commission everything for the tank system in one app in one go. Let's start rolling.
The monitoring app Clenergise can be downloaded from either Google Play Store or App Store. As the first time, terms and conditions needs to be agreed to enable the app usage. Log in with the installer account which Clenergise ESS or your own organization has registered for you to unlock the full power of the monitoring app. Once successfully logged in, we are ready to create some plans. Tap the monitor icon at the bottom of the main page, then tap the plus button at the top right corner to create a plant. Fill in or select the info of the plant. Sessions in this page are recommended to be filled in for better support and tracing purpose. Tap Save to finish the plant creation. After successfully creating the plant, you will need to add the data logger to bind the device to the plant. Simply click the Add Data Logger area and then scan the QR code on the body of the data logger to add the device. Tap the Wi-Fi configuration button to start the Wi-Fi configuration. Before initializing the configuration, please make sure your phone is connected to the homeowner's Wi-Fi so that the data logger is able to connect to it. Enter the Wi-Fi password of the homeowners. To have a better and quicker connection, please make sure the phone is as near to the router as possible. Tap Done when it is successfully connected. Once it's done, the LED status will be like what's showing on the screen. Right after adding the data logger, the end user account needs to be created and authorized to the plant. Type in the homeowner's detail and select a role for them. After all info filled in and before clicking Save, take a screenshot of it to make sure the login details are stored and can be passed to the homeowner later. And now, the plant has been fully created and set up. Once the site has been created, go to the device page to perform the site commissioning. Tap the inverter which you want to configure. Tap the three dots on the top right corner first. In the Open Up page, click the Device Control to enter the configuration page of the inverter. Please tap the Read button first on every page before performing any setting to the inverter. Upon inverter configuration process, the battery setting, meter setting, grid code, and backup port pages are required to be set. Other pages should remain default pre-filled parameters unless there are specific requirements. Once parameters are filled in or selected, tap Set to write them into the inverter. Unless specifically directed by the DNSP, do not alter any settings in the rest of the commissioning steps. The commissioning work is all done now. The system is up and running.
Thank you for watching and enjoy your solar.